And that is Figma. And people say, oh, Figma is difficult. Remember, we only use Figma to do template, background. I don't need to know anything more about the functionality of Figma. Okay, and I copied the idea for Pinterest or any other places you can see. Yes? And they are quite little looking. So yeah, but that look like Federico is difficult to create. Well, let me tell you how difficult it is to create this. Let me do this. Normally, that bar will be 80. Okay? I'm going to get another, that for my title, like whatever you want to. I'm going to get another one here. I'm going to put it to the corner, and here I'm going to say -20. That should be okay there. Okay, and I'm going to give it about 150. Let's see, 150. And I'm going to round the corner to 10. Okay, now from here, I want 4 KPIs. Okay, that is my idea. 4 KPIs with the information. Remember, you need to have in your head what you are going to represent in Power BI. So there are plenty of tools or plugins in Figma that allow you to do this. Okay, column is 1, rows now, column is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, row is 1, and I do that. Okay, I'm gonna get another one, and this one is gonna go from that top to that top and down here. And I want this to be 2. Plugin, split shape. Now I want 1 column, 2 rows, a split. I got another one there. And I'm going to do the same, guys. But this one I'm going to break it in 2, but vertically. Doing it this way, you don't have to worry about the distance between the object. The gutter is 20. So columns, I want 2 columns and 1 row. There you go, guys. Now it's just a matter of giving some font, entering some icon or whatever, and giving some color. Background template created in 2 minutes. As simple as that. Okay? So remember, it's not complex. It's a matter of you don't like this color. Come on, let's say a little bit whiter. It's too, but this one I wanna in a different color. Let's go to the blue and let's go maybe there. It's that simple. Oh, the corner are not really rounded. And instead of 10, I want 20. Okay? Guys, it's very simple. And the more you practice, the easier it gets for you to work on Figma, PowerPoint, or any other tool that you want to use. Okay? As I told you, there are plugins for everything. There are plugins. I got, jumping in, I got icons. I don't know if it's going to allow me to open. I got logos. Let me see if open the two at the same time. That would be great. Look, I got logos. What else? I got pictures. If I click in there now, there you go. Look at how simple. And perhaps it's too much, but that's for you to spend a little bit of time looking at. But that's how simple it was for me to create a template in 3 minutes. Because in the first plugin, if you want about, it's called, people, I know, a split shape. That is the one that breaks the shapes. A split shape. But the same can be done in PowerPoint. And the Figma I am using is the free one. I don't need, I have a copy one, okay, a paid one, but I for my personal and business, okay? This one is free. It doesn't cost you anything. And once you have decided, but that's how I want to, you can export and US para SVG. Okay?